Hello and welcome to Incubate. Today we are going to show you how you can apply custom pricing on sides of a product. So as you can see, this is a demo product, and if we go to the designer view, you can see the base price is $5, and if we add a customization on any side, the price remains same, which is $5. So now let's see how we can add custom pricing on these different sites. So there are basically two methods of putting price on different sites here. Let's see the first method. For the first method, you need to go to the product edit page, and you can see this product has DTG printing enabled. So let's go to the edit printing types, DTG print, and then price per size range. Now let's add a new size range, and let's say we add $3, and then we can enable different price for other printing sites. So let's click yes and give a value, for example $5. So now for the first site that your customers customize, they will be charged $3, and from the second site and onwards they will be charged $5. Let's see how it shows in the designer page. So let's save it and let's refresh the designer page. Okay, so now you can see the base price is still $5, and now on the first site, let's add a customization. You can see an increase of $3. And now if we go to another site and then add any type of customization, for example let's add a graphic, you can see an increase of $5. This can be in any order. For example, let's just remove the customization and start with a different site. So let's say we start with this site and add a customization. You can see $3 increase, and then let's go to another site and add another customization. You can see an increase of $5. So basically, whichever site your customers will customize first, it will be charged $3, and then from the second side onwards they will be charged $5. So this is one of the methods how you can apply custom pricing on various sides of your product. Now let's go to the second method. So for the second method, you need to go to the product edit page. In the product setup for the design tool, let's click on advanced settings. Now in this method, a specific price will be added to a specific side only. So let's say for the back side, in the print area, we add an extra price of $5. Now let's save it, and now if we refresh the designer page, now you can see the base price is $5, and we have added an extra price of $5 for the back side only. So let's see if we customize the other sides, is there any change or not. So if we add customization to these sides, there is no change in price. But if we customize the back side, you can see an increase of $5. So this is another method of how you can apply custom pricing to various sides of your product. You can use both of these methods simultaneously, and when you use them simultaneously, the additional price in the first method in price per size range, and also the additional price in the extra price in printing area, all of those prices are going to be added on top of the base price. So this is how you can add different pricing to different sites according to your preference. Have a nice day.